Hey everyone, it's Tammy with Southern Angels Boutique. Just wanted to say Happy Labor Day to everyone and just show you that what I was doing today. I am grilling some chicken inside. So yeah, we don't have a outdoor grill, but I have this little indoor grill, and I made some homemade barbecue sauce. And so I am grilling it on a little indoor grill that I really like this little grill, and hopefully one day we'll get an outdoor grill. But in the meantime, I've had this thing for years, and I'm just grilling on it and making my husband and I some barbecue chicken. And that's what we're doing today. We've been working around the house trying to get some things done today, and it's been kind of yucky out. It's hot, humid, rainy, so we're trying to stay inside and cool, so it wouldn't have worked to grill out anyway if we had an outdoor grill today, really. So this works for us, and I just wanted to come on here and see what everyone else is doing for today. So comment below, and yeah, just let me know what you guys are doing there. Are y'all crafting? Are you cooking? Are you relaxing? Are you cleaning and organizing? Yeah, tell me what you're doing below, and let me know. So give me a thumbs up if you like this video, comment, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and happy Labor Day. Bye now.